Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add a Wix chat to your website in Wix. First click and open the app market in the left sidebar. Type in Wix chat and open the Wix chat right here. Then click on add to site. Wait a few seconds and then you can already see the Wix chat is available now. Of course we need to set up and customize our chat. We can do it by selecting the chat and then click on settings. Click on manage chat to open the dashboard and to see what you can adjust now. We can toggle on the scheduled chat hours so you can adjust the times when you or your team is available. You can also change the pre-chat form. In addition to the name, you can also check the phone number and a message. In case you're offline, you can adjust it also here. It would be very professional and helpful for the visitors if you have an FAQ section. Click on Get Started to set it up. The sender identity is also important to set up. If the visitor or customer is chatting with you, this is what he or she is gonna see who they are chat with. You can show your business or site name. You can just give your sender name and an image or profile pic, or make it very easy and set no sender identity. Let's go back to the editor. Select the chat button and click on settings. Under display you can change the chat location, bottom right or bottom left. You can set up how new messages appear to the visitor, and you can also choose whether the site chat box is only on a specific page or on all pages. Under design you can change and update your business logo and set up minimize chat, background and messages, header and border. Under text you can change the website or business name which appears here in the chat box. Let's type in Four Seasons. You can also change the message in the text box and the typical response time. You can also change the label in the chat box. For example, if you're online, I'm just typing in hi, and if you're offline, I'm just typing in unavailable, just for an example. Of course, you must also get a notification, and you can also create and manage an automation. Let's click on it and then you're back in the dashboard. You can go to the inbox and you can see here your messages and can set up everything here. You can, for example, get an email if someone is writing in the chat box, so you can see it directly in your emails. You can also add other channels like WhatsApp or Messenger. And yes guys, that's basically it. Let's click on preview to see how it looks like. If we click on that, I'm just typing in hi. And then in the info box and my emails, I can see this message. Thank you for watching and see you next time.